Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can animate text in Canva. Select text here and add like any type of text you want. I'm just going to choose this one. Oops. And I'm also going to change the color to match the background a little bit more. I'm actually going to just kind of let's see, where is it? Blur it a bit more so you can see the text a bit better. And then I'm just going to select the text here. Okay, maybe this is the best option for it. Okay, and then I'm going to select the text and I'm going to select Animate, and I'm just going to select this burst one. You can change the kind of like animation that you want. There's both on enter and on exit. So this one's like kind of like a loop, I think, but I'm just going to choose on enter, and you can change the intensity, but you need the Canva Pro to do so. That is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!